Going on.
You said what?
I said I wasn't ignoring you. There's a lot going on. You have what?
Are you guys okay?
Oh, oh, what just happened?
What did you do?
A bit, don't come down 33. Don't come down 33. Do not come down 33. I'm not kidding you. Because a fucking tractor trailer to a box truck and a tractor trailer just met.
Where at?
At Best Buy. I'll be back.
Shit. Well.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover the wonders of this charming country. Thanks for watching.